So, you're looking for best $2000 PC build that can satisfy your gaming and content creation workload? Then look no further. Here is the best performance PC you can build in $2000. Hello and welcome to our channel Unboxing, where we talk about PC parts, PC accessories, review and recommend best PC builds which suits every buyer. So if you are interested in such content, hit that subscribe button and enable notification so that you don't miss our videos whenever they are live. Let's calculate how much we can spend on each component to get most bang for buck configuration. For that, we have to do maths. But you might say maths is boring and it makes you fire machine gun at it every time you look at it. But wait, we got a perfect solution for it and it's completely free. To calculate, let's go to our website unboxing.com and look for PAC, PC Parts Affordability Calculator. Select your budget category and enter your budget. And voila, you got your budget plan just like that. How simple and easy was that? And plus, it's completely free. No hidden charges. Now you don't have to do a complex math and constantly bang your head at the wall. Just head on to our website and let our PAC do the work for you. Alright, with our budget being planned for us, let us look at what we can afford for our build. And just like that, by entering our budget, we got our budget portion for us. This is how much we can spend on each component. Let's start with CPU. We are going with Intel i7 13700K CPU with 16 cores, that is 8 P cores and 8 E cores. With this CPU we get plenty horsepower to run any modern AAA titles and it can handle heavy workloads with bare minimum efforts. This is a perfect CPU for this budget and provide enough performance for any heavy workload. Now, to cool this CPU, we need a really good CPU cooler which can handle the heat. For that, we are going with Deepcool LT720 AIO. This is 360mm AIO and is most value for money CPU cooler with potential to cool up to 300 watt TDP CPUs. So, cooling our CPU with this cooler will be like a hot knife through butter. Here are some other options for this CPU cooler. Up next is motherboard. For motherboard, we have two options. If you are not planning to overclock your CPU, then I would recommend this motherboard. MSI Max G760 Tomahawk Wi-Fi gaming motherboard. This motherboard is DDR5 with 3 Gen 4 M.2 slots for your SSDs. It has Wi-Fi 6E and comes with 2.5G LAN. This motherboard has plenty ports to cover most devices. With large heatsinks, VRM of this motherboard will stay nice and cool. Now, if you do plan on overclocking, then you can go with this motherboard. Asus TUF Gaming G790 Plus Wi-Fi. It comes with all the cool features of previous board with some extra sweet features here and there. It comes with extra M.2 slot and has NVMe SSD RAID support, PCIe quick release and much more. Personally, I would go with G790 Plus to overclock the CPU, and also it is DDR5. For RAM, we are going with Team Group T-Force Delta RGB DDR5 RAM. This is a 32GB kit with 6000 MHz speed. This kit has cache latency of 30. It is also XMP 3.0 ready, so you can overclock this kit to get some extra FPS in your games. For the money, this kit provides everything that one can ask for. 32GB memory, XMP ready, low cache latency, RGB and excellent heatsinks. Moving to our storage. Before that, let's hear what our team has to say. Before that, a kind request. If you like this video, And if it helps you with your build or help you in any way, then please let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. A sub to the channel would be awesome. Join us in our YouTube journey and together we can bring better and better configs to all the beginners and pros looking to build their next PC. Check out our website unboxing.com and don't forget to use our pack. We have created this tool to end the most problematic first part in every PC build journey. So use it. It's completely free and made just for you. By the way, links to all the parts used in this PC are in description. You do not have to go anywhere else to look up for anything. These are affiliate links, so we will get a tiny commission for each eligible purchase you make. It does not cost you any extra penny. So for latest price of the parts, check out the links from the description and use the links if you like to support us. For storage, we are going with my personal favorite WD-SN850X with 2 TB storage capacity. This SSD provides awesome Gen 4 speeds and is one of the top of the chart SSDs in the Gen 4 SSD list. It also checks all the boxes for a good value SSD and you won't regret going for it. Here are some of the other SSDs you can go for if you do not prefer Western Digital SSD. Now let's go to PSU. For PSU, we are going with MSI Mag A850GL PCIe 5 ATX 3.0 power supply. This PSU comes with dual color 16-pin cable. This cable will help you indicate if your cable is properly plugged or not. Also, it is fully modular, so no excess cables to worry about. For case, we are going with Lianli LAN-cooled 216 E80X PC case. This is a really awesome case with lots and lots of features packed inside it. It supports up to E80X motherboard and comes with two 160mm RGB fans pre-installed. It also comes with one 140mm PWM fan. Also, it has inbuilt PWM fan controller and much more. It has front and top 360mm radiator support. It supports GPU with maximum length of up to 392mm. Speaking of GPU, let's look at our GPU of choice. For GPU, we are going with RTX 4070 Ti, a perfect GPU for 1440p gaming and some 4K gaming with 12GB VRAM. This GPU suffers a bit, but it does the job. Nvidia should have given some more VRAM to this bad boy. Nevertheless, this GPU performs very well in gaming and productivity work and comes with loads of Nvidia software goodies. With FrameGen, this GPU can do wonders in the games which support FrameGen. But if you want more VRAM, feel free to choose RX 7900 XT with 20GB VRAM. If your workload demands more VRAM, then go with RX 7900 XT. It certainly provides lot more VRAM than RTX 4070 Ti. With that, our PC build is complete. Here is the total cost of our PC build. Thank you so much for sticking with us till the end of the video. Check out our website. We also provide services to beginner and pros looking for their next PC. Give us one of these if you liked our videos and subscribe for more awesome builds. Check out our other videos on our channel and I'll meet you in the next video.